So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off smart reply in Gmail in your smartphone. But before beginning in the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to turn off smart reply in Gmail, first of all open Gmail in your smartphone. Here in top left corner you can see three lines option. Click on that three lines option and scroll down to the bottom and go to the settings. Here choose the account you want to turn off smart reply. Click on that Gmail account and search for smart reply option. Here you can see the option of smart reply. Uncheck that box by clicking on it. Here you can see that smart reply is turned off in Gmail. But remember one thing, not only in your smartphone, but smart reply will be turned off in each and every device in which your Gmail account has been logged in. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.